Let's continue with the lesson, children. Plants around us. Today we'll finish this lesson. Page 34. We did the types of plants yesterday, and we had started studying about the parts of a plant. I had explained the parts of a plant to you in brief when I was describing the diagram to you, right? So now I hope you have all done page 33. We had to do it for homework. Now page 34. Now let us learn about some leaves, fruits and flowers. Now as the trees or plants are not of the same shape and size, सब अलग अलग तरीके के होते हैं, वैसे ही हर प्लांट, हर ट्री का लीफ का शेप और साइज फ़र्क होता है. All the trees and plants have different sizes and different shapes of leaves and leaves.
Ma'am, which page number?
What happened?
Ma'am, which page number?
Mahira, please do check your WhatsApp before joining the class so that you don't disturb me when I'm explaining something. I told yesterday also someone that I lose the flow when I'm explaining something. Page 34. Please stop sending me literature work now. You have to join your science class now. So please don't send me any literature work. So as I was saying, some leaves are big and some leaves are small. आज जब हम लोग प्लांट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, आजकल मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है. The plants and trees are absolutely green. So you can enjoy now, children. अब enjoy करो और देखो किस तरीके के trees हैं, किस तरीके के उनके leaves हैं, अलग अलग shapes हैं. So what you can do, children, now is कि आपके घर के आसपास या आपके घर में जो plants लगे हैं या trees लगे हैं, उसकी एक एक leaf तोड़ लीजिए, ठीक है? Pluck one leaf, only one leaf, not many, and then tell mummy to help you in sticking it on a blank sheet of paper, right? So and then you can click the picture and send the picture to me, right? At least 4 or 5 leaves घर के आसपास सबकी होंगी, and उन trees या plants का नाम उसके नीचे लिखना, right? So this you can do, you can enjoy doing it, you will love doing it. Now see, यहाँ पर 2 leaves बनी हैं, lotus leaf and banyan leaf, right? But you can घर के आसपास आपके jasmine का tree होगा, rose तो तकरीबन हर घर में लगा है. Then the tulsi leaves are very small, the curry leaves are little bit bigger, right? So various leaves, hibiscus leaves. So इनको just enjoy them, touch them, see them, and see how many kinds, different kinds of leaves you can see. Similarly, we have all different kinds of flowers. हर flower फर्क होता है. गुलाब का फूल, बेले का फूल, चमेली का फूल, गेंदे का फूल, like marigold, rose, jasmine, right? All these are different in shape and size, and all these have different smells also. हर फ्लावर की स्मेल अगर तुम सूंघ के देखोगे, इफ यू विल स्मेल द फ्लावर यू विल सी दैट ईच फ्लावर हैज़ अ डिफरेंट स्मेल ऑल्सो एंड दे आर लवली, द स्मेल्स आर वेरी गुड. So learn to appreciate nature, learn to enjoy nature, enjoy the plants, enjoy the flowers, enjoy the fruits. If you don't like to eat fruits, start loving fruits because they are the best things that you can have, that they are the best things that God has made for us. Flowers make a plant look beautiful. Now flowers जो हैं उनसे plant जो है बहुत beautiful लगता है. The plant looks very pretty. And flowers are of different colors, shapes and sizes. Flowers जो हैं वो, as I told you just now, they are of different color, shape and size. Fruits, as I was telling you about fruits just now, अभी मैं बता रही थी. आजकल तो अभी जब समर शुरू हुआ था तो oh God, what lovely fruits we saw. We saw different kinds. We saw jamun, we saw falenda, we saw falsas, then we saw plums, apricots, peaches, mangoes, strawberries, lychees. कितने फ्रूट्स अभी हम लोग ने खाए हैं ना, कितने टाइप के अच्छे अच्छे फ्रूट्स खाए हैं हम लोगों ने. और मैंगोज तो अभी तक चल रहे हैं कि नहीं चल रहे हैं? नॉट योर हेड. अभी लोग मैंगो खा रहे हैं ना, मैं तो खा रही हूँ. देन वी हैव व्हाट डू वी हैव? Apples, oranges, bananas. Oh my God, there are so many fruits, so many kinds of fruits. You should be having practically all the fruits, right? And these fruits will make you healthy, they'll make you strong. Vidushi, can you please switch off your mic? You are disturbing the class. How many of you like strawberries? Raise your hand. How many of you like strawberries? I love strawberries. Yes.
I love strawberries.
You just have to raise your hand. Please don't switch on your mic. Vidushi, see that your mic is switched off, please. Lovely. See? So many of you love strawberries. Cherries? I love cherries. I love all fruits. So I want my children to love all the fruits and eat all the fruits so that you are healthy. वैसे आप लोग ऐसे हैं कि आप लोग खाना भी नहीं खाते हैं तो फ्रूट्स क्या खाते होंगे? मम्मी परेशान हो जाती होंगी. But children, eat properly. मम्मी जो देती हैं वो आपके भले के लिए देती हैं, ठीक है? Even if she is giving you fruits, eat them. Yes, Arsalan, because you don't eat food, you are laughing. And most of you don't eat food, I know that. सब पतले पतले हो ना, हवा फूंक मारूंगी तो उड़ जाओगे सब, right? So fruits are of different colors and shapes. See, अभी यहाँ पे दो fruits बने, strawberries and oranges. Some fruits are big and some are small. जैसे mango is big, apple is big, then strawberry is small, cherries are small, right? Different fruits, grapes are small. So some fruit, not some, यहाँ लिखा some fruits taste good. मैं तो कहती हूँ all fruits taste good and we love to eat them. Yes, we should love to eat the fruits. Right. Oh, strawberry is looking so nice. Then there's a line over here. My favorite fruit is. Now, afterwards you will write what your favorite fruit is. Then comes the last part, that is seeds. Seeds, as we learnt yesterday, बीज होता है और and the seed, there is a small plant inside the seed. Seed के अंदर छोटा सा प्लांट होता है. जब हम सीड को सॉइल में डालते हैं ग्रो करने के लिए and then we give it water, we give it other things, then it grows into a small plant and then later a big plant or a tree. Most fruits have seeds. Some fruits have many seeds, some have only one seed. Now, the fruit like mango, peach, right, or apricot, these have only one seed. Then many seeds, papaya has many seeds. Watermelon has many seeds. Muskmelon, बहुत सारी seeds होती हैं. These have a lot of seeds. And there are seeds in apple also, but lesser seeds. Apple में, orange में seeds कम होती हैं. Right? So seeds भी हर fruit की seed different होती है. Shape, size, color, everything is different. Now let us pick up your pencil, student. First, write the name of your favorite fruit on page number 34. My favorite fruit is, write the name of the fruit. Write the name of the fruit. If you don't know the spelling, you can ask me or you can ask your mummy. Ishanvi, beta, you are not writing anything, child. Have you written the name of your favorite fruit, Ishanvi?
मैम लीफ लगानी है,
लीफ लगानी, वो तो बाद में करना है ना, नॉट जस्ट नाउ. यू हैव रिटन ईशानवी, गुड गर्ल ईशानवी, पुट इट डाउन, गुड गर्ल, पुट इट डाउन. Okay, let us move now. Put your pencil down, children. Let us move on to page 35. Page 35. Let's revise the lesson in short, jaldi se. Plants are living things. Tall, big and strong plants are called trees. Small plants may have soft stems or woody stems. There are some plants that have weak stems. Roots fix a plant to the ground. The stem takes food and water to all parts of a plant, and leaves make food for a plant. Flowers change into fruits. Now you have to see roots, leaves, stem, flower, seeds, fruits. अभी हम लोग इन सब चीज़ों के नाम ले रहे थे ना. So learn these names also. Now turn back to page 31. I will read the lesson. Please pay attention. I want you to learn to read also, not only in literature but in every subject. Whose mic is on, child? Whose mic is on? Please switch it off. Whose mic is switched on? Okay, ready? I am reading the lesson. Please follow the lesson in your Hanifa, child, are we having a party that you are sitting on your bicycle and joining the class? Will you please sit on your chair? This is not done, Hanifa. You were not there when I was talking to the class. Please give her a chair. so that she can sit properly. Plants around us. Plants are living things. They breathe and grow. They need food. They usually grow from seeds. There are many different types of plants. Types of plants. Some plants are big, while some plants are small. Some plants grow on land, some grow in water, like the lotus or the water chestnut, known as singada in Hindi. Some plants grow vertical, but some need support. Let us read more about them. Big plants. Some plants are tall and strong. Tall, big, and strong plants are called trees. Orange tree, coconut tree, and neem tree are some big plants. Turn the page, please. Small plants. Some plants are small. They may have soft stems or woody stems. Rose, hibiscus, and coriander are some small plants. There are some plants that have weak stems. Some of these plants may need support to grow upright. They are called climbers. For example, plants of beans and grapes grow with the support of sticks. Some plants with weak stems grow along the ground. They are called creepers. For example, watermelon and pumpkin grow along the ground. Next, parts of a plant. There are different parts of a plant. These are root, stem, leaves, flower, and fruit. They help a plant in many ways. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds grow into new plants. Most flowers are colorful. Flowers change into fruits. Leaves grow on the stem. Most leaves are green. The leaves make food for a plant. The stem takes food and water to all parts of a plant. The root fixes the plant to the ground. It takes in water and other materials from the ground that is needed for the plant. Let us learn about some leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Some leaves are big and some are small. Leaves have many different shapes. Flowers make a plant look beautiful. Flowers are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. Fruits are of different colors and shapes. Some fruits are big and some are small. Some fruits taste good and we love to eat them. Seeds. Most fruits have seeds. Some fruits have many seeds. Some have only one seed, while some fruits have a few seeds. So children, I finished reading the lesson also. This lesson is complete. Now exercises and question and answers are left. Your classes for today are over, children. Please read this lesson properly. Bye bye,
Have a
children.
nice day, ma'am.
Take care. You also have a nice day. God bless you.